What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Innovations, and today we're on our way to California. We are towing my Moto Guzzi back there, and we're going down there for the day tonight and then tomorrow. So we're driving my 2004 Runner 5VZ. You can take a look there in the glove box. You can see we've got an Elite 750 in it. This is our same Elite 750 kit that we sell. I've been doing some testing on this thing for a few months now, and it's been working pretty good. So I decided to pull the laptop out. I have not pulled the laptop out in months. Let's plug it in, let's take a look and see what's going on. I haven't updated anything, but so far everything seems to run pretty good. Now what I wanted to do for this trip is I wanted to document my fuel mileage while towing this trailer. And my motorcycle back there, it's got my beautiful Moto Guzzi there, but we're towing this kind of a heavy U-Haul trailer, and it's got some weight on it for sure, and I can tell the difference in power, because what it feels like towing this trailer, what it feels like is the engine felt like stock without this ECU in it. So it makes me appreciate how much power it's really producing. So we're just watching like our target air fuel ratio and our corrections and stuff, and it's actually aspirated. I can roll on the throttle. We're 50% throttle now. Air fuel ratio fattens up to where it's safe. It's probably where my fuel economy is kind of going while I'm towing. So what I might do is really just lean that out, that column, just a little bit right before. Now let's see what happens if I roll in the throttle. I don't get any pinging. Air fuel ratio spot on. So we're pretty good. Saturday afternoon, on our way to California. Just a little bit of testing. I figure I'll the laptop while we're on this road and see what's going on. One thing we didn't do is I forgot when I filled up, I didn't reset the mileage. So we'll stop off halfway, stretch our legs, check the straps, make sure everything is good, grab some drinks, and probably top off the fuel and reset the mileage. And I'm gonna do a mileage test on this truck, on this 4Runner, while we're on this trip. We stopped here for gas. Didn't get the mileage when we left. Havasu, but I did kind of do a Google Maps to see what it was, kind of getting to my shop. Since we gassed up and there's only a couple blocks from my shop, I figured that's pretty close enough. Got 171 miles. We use almost 3/4 of a tank to go here. 171 miles. Usually we can stretch a little further than that on a tank. So what I did was I put $60 in. I figured I'd be close to enough to top it off, but apparently I forgot to recalculate for California price. I'm gonna call that full. After doing the math, what we come up with is 15.8 miles a gallon. Normally what we get in this thing empty on flat road is between 18 and 19 miles to gallon. It kind of depends on who driving. My foot can be a little heavier sometimes. So we'll reset the mileage, and as a matter of fact, all right, so we'll reset the mileage. We're gonna hit the road, and we will top it off first thing in the morning and see how much fuel we burnt, and do a proper calculations and see where we're at, and then we'll touch base on the way back home. So let's see what happens. All right, so here we are on day 2. We just filled up the fuel tank, topped it off completely until the thing stopped on it. What we found is that today we got 16 miles at a gallon. We're on our way back home. I'm driving through Southern California. Yesterday when we did a mileage test, it was not 100% accurate because I just put a dollar amount in. And even though the fuel gauge is over full, it might have been close to topping off anyway, maybe off by a tenth of a gallon or something like that. But all in all, yesterday's math, fuel mileage, we had like mid 15.8, 15.5, something like that. And that wasn't too bad. Today we got 16. We're in LA traffic, highway traffic, and Most of the freeways are relatively flat, but there's some grades every now and then. And what I did differently is I leaned out a certain table or certain column in our target airfield ratio. And I want to do that as a test. And there was some parts where we're kind of rolling uphill a little bit, and the engine started pinging a little bit. We're down around 2,000 RPMs, and probably doesn't like to be as lean. It probably needs to be a little bit richer in that area. So, um, but it definitely leaned out and helped the fuel economy a little bit. I would rather put a little bit of fuel back in there, give it the power it needs to, keep the combustion chambers cool, keep it from pinging, even though it was really, really light, and make that work out. So all in all, we had a really good test. Towing this U-Haul trailer. I don't know if you guys have ever towed a U-Haul trailer, but they're heavy and they're kind of a tank. It's definitely got some weight on it. All in all, we're pretty good. The Haltech computer makes this thing tunable. Towing, it does very well. Fuel mileage, we're not doing a big box trailer, so I know it's a little bit different. There was some sections that was struggling for power a little bit. We're able to get up these grades. Ultimately, I think we had a good test, good driving. Take the overdrive off a couple times, get the RPMs up, and just power through it. So that's it. That's our conclusion. We got about 16 miles a gallon, 15 to 16 miles a gallon towing with the trailer. We'll do some more tests here in the future. Good experiences, good scientific experiments, I guess you can say. And we're happy. So anyway, don't forget to do all that stalker stuff. Like, subscribe, follow. If you guys don't want the notifications, don't ring the bell. If you do, cool. Appreciate it. And if you want to see more content like this, please drop something in the comments below, and if you want, we can put something together. So, as always, we appreciate you guys. Appreciate our audience. We're growing. Everything's growing. Thank you all very much, and have a wonderful day.